How to download Milestone credit card app. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download Milestone credit card app. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to open up Play Store on your device. If you are using iOS devices, then you want to open up App Store. So once you open the Play Store, you want to tap on the search bar. Now search for Milestone credit card. Now tap on it. With this account, you can easily manage the finances. You can download it to control your account, plan and monitor payment history, and receive alerts about potential fraudulent activities. So go ahead and tap on the install icon. Now it is going to take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it is going to be automatically installed on your device. Once it has been installed, all you want to do is tap on the open option, then log into your account and start using this application. So that is how you can download Milestone credit card app. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.